Secular Progressive Front 2002–2012. The Secular Progressive Front was a political alliance in Manipur, India, which formed before the 2002 Manipur Legislative Assembly election and ruled Manipur from 2002 until 2012, when the alliance was broken. Front members. The political parties of the alliance were: background and electoral performance, formation and 2002 Assembly election. In 2002 Manipur Legislative Assembly election, it was resulted hung Assembly with INC winning 20 seats, FPP winning 13 seats, MSCP winning 7 seats, CPI 5 seats, BJP 4 seats, NCP 3 seats, and others 8 seats. SPF was formed on March 1, 2002, and it urged the Governor Ved Marwa to invite them to form the government with a list of 33 supporting MLA. On March 7, 2002, first SPF government was created. Along with Chief Minister Akram Ibobai Singh from INC, ministers were sworn in, including Govindas Kanthaujam of MSCP, Farajam Parajat Singh of CPI, and Chunkakai Downjal of NCP. DRPP with 2 MLA joined SPF afterwards. MLAs from NCP, MSCP, DRPP, and Samata Party defected to INC, making their strength 33 in the Assembly. 2007 Assembly election. In the 2007 Manipur Legislative Assembly election, Congress and CPI were not allied, but they formed the government together as SPF along with NCP. In the election, INC won 30 seats, CPI 4, NCP 5, and MSCP 0 seats. On March 1, 2007, Congress and CPI jointly held the SPF Steering Committee meeting, where 3 MLA of RJD, 3 MLA of NPP, and 3 independent MLA supported SPF government on March 2, 2007. Dissolution. In the 2012 Manipur Legislative Assembly election, INC contested on its own, dissolving the front. CPI contested on 24 seats. In the election, INC won absolute majority of its own with 42 MLA and CPI having no representatives in the Assembly.